In this demonstration, I'll be showing you how to accept input from the keyboard during a Scratch game. So we start as always with events. When green flag is clicked. This time we're going to ask a question. So that's interaction with the user. So we need sensing. So go to sensing and ask what is your name is the default question that you can ask. So we'll drag that out here and we'll change the question to our own question. For example, what is the capital of Ireland? Now we need to control what happens with the answer. So we go to the control statements. And this one requires two options, if it's right or wrong, basically. So that's what we call an if then else statement. So we'll drag out this. Now, what we need to do is if the answer is equal to, if the answer is Dublin, it's correct. So that's the first option in the if statement. And otherwise, it's incorrect. So we'll do whatever's in the else part here. So let's get the question set up right first. So if we need to state quite clearly in computer language that the answer equals Dublin, the answer is Dublin. The way you do that is you go to operators for an equal sign. And the equal sign is here. And that fits in. And now we go back to sensing. And we select the answer. So this answer stores whatever the person on the keyboard has entered. So you drag the answer over here. Now if the answer equals Dublin, so type in Dublin. What we want to happen if the answer is correct? Well, then maybe say something that the answer is correct. Go under looks here and just say correct, for example. So change that to correct. Now, otherwise, if the person doesn't enter the word Dublin, we have to say something else. So maybe wrong answer. Try again. Let's test that out. Click the green flag to start the game. So the character asks, what is the capital of Ireland? And you type Dublin, type the right answer first. Hit enter. And he says correct, which is what we want. Now we're going to run the game again and put in the incorrect answer. So put in Cork. And enter, try again. That's it.